If you want to learn how to do the Wildstyle Graffiti, this video is for you. The name I'm going to be using today will be Moises, and the medium I will be using is color pencil. What's up YouTube and what's up graffiti artists? My name is Louis Ning Chang. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be drawing the name Moises in Wildstyle. Let's break it down step by step. If you want to learn more, give the video a like, share, make a comment if you have any questions, and give me a sub. Let's go to stage 1, sketching the foundation. I start with the 3 guidelines, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. This keeps all the letters lined up and flowing together. Then I lightly sketch out the letters M-O-I-S-E-S in a simple basic font. This is the foundation for the Wildstyle. Now keep in mind that I'm gonna talk during the video, and also gonna be some music during the video. But here's the twist. I am using double vision technique. That means I draw each letter twice stacked on top of each other, and later I will merge them into a Wildstyle. It might look confusing at first with all the extra lines crossing, but that's part of the process. You decide which lines to keep, which to drop, and how to turn them into arrows and extensions and style. For example, the letter M will appear twice, but the goal is to combine them into one uniform Wildstyle letter. Stage 2, building style. One of the foundation is down. I start bending, twisting, and connecting the letters. The double vision lines slowly come together into one solid design. Some letters overlap, some connect, and I keep an eye on negative space to make the composition tight. Work loosely and first, and when you are happy with the flow, press harder on your pencil to lock it in. Stage 3, adding arrows and details. Now I add the arrows and small details and extra connections. This stage is all about pushing the letters further and giving the piece its energy. For color, I will be using colored pencils instead of outlining the letters in black. I'm going for more realistic look with shading and value. I build up the colors in layers light and dark, never pressing too hard at first. For my scheme, I start with yellow, working from light to dark values. To add harmony, I use orange, which is analogous to yellow for details. To create contrast, I bring in purple, the complementary color of yellow. For the background, I will use purple and the analogous color blue, shifting between aqua white lightening and darker aqua tones. I'll give you a quick color lesson. Number 1, value is the degree of lightness or darkness in color. Number 2, complementary colors sit opposite on the color wheel like red, green, or blue, orange. Number 3, anonymous colors are side by side on a color wheel creating harmony. Number 4, warm colors advance while cooler colors proceed with create the depth. How to use a color pencil. First, color the subject with a little bit of pressure as you keep coloring and add more pressure upon layering upon layer. If you want to be deeper dive into color pencil techniques, there are great tutorials on YouTube. Take those out for more practice. Stage perspective. To give this piece a 3D look, I set up a 1-point perspective. I place a vanishing point on the right side of the page, then use a ruler to connect the letters back to that point. This makes the letters pop with depth like you're looking from a bird's eye view. Also notice how I use the color purple. The light source is coming from the left, the side with the shadows are falling to the right. That's how I create more dimension inside the letters. I'll put on some music so you can watch the rest of the drawing process. Don't go anywhere, I have more to share. If you want me to draw you a your letter in graffiti style, just let me know. Check out the links below. I have an Etsy account. I also have my website, so I have other links that you could take out. My Instagram, my TikTok. Just could take those out if you like. Alright, so this is the piece. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a like, share, make a comment. If you have any questions, subscribe to my channel. My name is Louis Ting Chong. Thank you for watching.